Hi guys and welcome back. On this video I've got a room to transform. Yes, I'll put a little bit of paint in there, but what better to set a room off than some lovely new wooden shelves from reclaimed scaffold board. Let's get on with this one. So the first thing to understand when working with reclaimed wood, especially things like scaffold board, is the amount of debris in it, whether it be little bits of stone chipping or more importantly metal. So I've got my new tool here, my little metal detector, and it's digging out all the leftover nails that's in it, so it's ready to be cut down. So that's 10 minutes work. Alright, some of it's easy to see because it was end banding, but there's 2 or 3 big chunky rusty nails in there. I don't want them going through planer. So yet again, this little machine, this little metal detectors, paid for itself, saving me on blades. Now let's get on to the planing. That took 3 minutes. We've gone from this to this one. Obviously sides need doing still, but I'll square it all off. Don't have to scrub up well, a bit like sanding, and we'll be there. Now it's time to run the boards through the table saw. This squares off the edges, and by removing 2 or 3 mil on each side, it makes sure that I've got a nice, crisp, clean edge. For sanding, I always find it beneficial to put the pencil line on and then sand it off so I know I've covered every piece. Right, so after a bit of a sand, they've come up quite nicely. I've taken them up to 150 grit. I've not gone for a round over or anything, I've just dampened it with a little bit of sanding. Got quite a bit of character left, quite a lot of knots, quite a lot of nail holes, and I think they look really good. Now I've got some medium oak stain. I'm just going to put them on with an applicator pad and see how that looks. There we go, 2 shelves, fully stained, de-nibbed, and looking quite good. Turned out rather nice. Now of course, it's great making some shelves, but they're no good unless you put them on the wall. So it's time now to measure up, put on some shelves, of course not forgetting to make sure they're level. Nobody likes a wonky shelf. And then secure them in place. That's 2 scaffold shelves up on the wall. There's only one thing left to do now, that's a touch of decorating. And there we go, a dab of paint, shelves are on the wall. What a difference a couple of days make. I'm very impressed with that. See you on the next one.